In this video, I'm going to show you guys two different things you can do to make your Android mobile phone more faster. So the first one is you need to disable background apps. So apps that use themselves in the background, you need to disable them. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video. And also you need to clear your mobile phone storage. If you've used your storage, you need to clear it. And if you can't clear the stuff, you need to get an SD or transfer it to a laptop or something like that, so that your mobile phone is going to be free. So now let me show you guys how to do these two different things. So the first one is your background apps. So move to your settings and then you search background. Because of the difference in mobile phones, the settings is going to be different. So move to your settings. Every setting has a search bar. Search background there. And you're going to find your background restrictions and background apps. Good. So on here, you can turn them on. When you turn it on, it means you are restricting it from using itself in the background. So in this case, when your phone is there, you'll not be multitasking whilst you don't want to, use the app. You get it? So that's it. And the traditional way to do this is you just move to your mobile phone and then you move to your battery here. At the battery section, most mobile phones, Samsung and the rest, you are going to see it here. This is an LG. So you can see this here. Now the second option is by clearing your mobile phone storage. So now come to your mobile phone storage here and then you tap on your storage like this and then you clear or you free your space. So after freeing your space, that's it. These two things are going to your mobile phone run faster like it's a new mobile phone. So that's it. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.